I stand for wahine, so I stand for women in presencing Tauranga Moana women in particular. So I think it's really important to make sure that wahine are, understand that they have a role to play in supporting governance. So governance is just the art of making decisions for a council or a city, and I think wahine run our marae, so surely they can run our city. Currently there's one Māori, Hautapu Baker. I think we need a wahine to balance that tāne and drive the decision-making areas that we have for Māori. So he's the candidate, he's the councillor for the Welcome Bay ward, but there'll be someone else who joins him, and I think if that's another Māori male, then what we've got is more Māori males and no, an absence of the female voice, of the wahine voice, you know. So my campaign is built on me aro koe ki te hā o hene ahuhone, and in that is the idea that the woman plays a very, very important role in the way that she can steward and support those decisions at council is what I want to try and bring. Mahi a te mahi, hei painga mo te iwi.